Now I will open RStudio. If in your computer the RStudio and R software are not installed, then I would request please download the software from this website, R latest version and RStudio latest version. First, you have to install R, then RStudio. So now I will open RStudio. RStudio, yes. This is our RStudio windows. So after opening the RStudio, first we have to click here, plus sign. Then we have to click R script. That means we have to open R script. This is our R script. All types of code will be written here. So if we would like to see the folder file names in the folder dir directory. So if we run, how to run? There are two ways. Either we have to select whole code, or if we keep the cursor anywhere, but we should not select partial like this, then it will be error. So either we have to select whole code or we can keep anywhere. Then the code will be run. So this is the file corresponding to the folder, and this is the environment. We can see the data set. This is the output file. This is the console, and this is our main script. Here we will write the R code. So my request, please pause the video and open the RStudio.